Today I am reviewing Acer Nitro V gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Acer Nitro V gaming laptop, model ANV15-52-586C, is a solid and powerful choice for gamers, students, and professionals who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. At its heart, it carries the Intel Core i5-13420H processor, a 13th-gen CPU designed to handle gaming, multitasking, and demanding workloads with ease. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates, editing videos, or working on complex projects, this processor gives you the balance of speed and efficiency that makes the laptop extremely versatile. On the graphics side, you get the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, a powerful dedicated GPU equipped with 6 GB of GDDR6 VRM. This isn't just an entry-level gaming graphics card. It's capable of handling modern AAA games at medium to high settings with excellent frame rates. Thanks to DLSS 3.5 and AI power ray tracing, you can experience stunning visuals, realistic lighting, and smooth performance. If you also plan on streaming, recording, or doing creative work like 3D modeling or photo editing, the RTX 4050 makes sure the laptop performs well beyond casual use. The display is another strong highlight. The Nitro V comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a fast 165Hz refresh rate. This is especially important for competitive gamers who need quick reaction times and fluid motion without screen tearing or ghosting. Paired with a wide 16:9 aspect ratio and 82.6% screen-to-body ratio, the visuals are immersive, crisp, and vibrant. With 300 nits brightness and a matte finish, it's also practical for use in different lighting environments, reducing glare and keeping colors sharp. Storage and memory are well balanced out of the box, with 8 GB DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. The DDR5 memory ensures faster speeds compared to older DDR4 laptops, and with 2 slots available, you can expand up to 32 GB in the future if needed. The SSD provides quick boot times, fast loading for games, and ample space for your files, though gamers with large libraries might eventually want to add more storage. Connectivity is another strength of this laptop. It supports Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless connections and comes with killer Ethernet E2600 Gigabit Ethernet for those who prefer wired internet during gaming sessions. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 is a big plus. It allows high-speed data transfers, power charging, and even external GPU or monitor connections through a single port. You also get multiple USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.1, and a headphone jack, covering all the essentials for gaming peripherals and productivity. Cooling is often a weak point in gaming laptops, but Acer equips the Nitro V with dual fans and an effective exhaust system to help keep the system cool during intense gaming sessions. Combined with Acer's NitroSense software, you can monitor performance, adjust fan speeds, and make sure your system stays stable under pressure. Aesthetically, the laptop carries a futuristic gradient design that looks sleek without being too flashy, fitting well in both gaming and professional setups. For communication, Acer includes AI-powered purified voice and purified view technology, which enhances video calls and streams by reducing background noise and improving camera clarity. Whether you're gaming with teammates, attending online classes, or working remotely, your voice and visuals will come through clear. In terms of build, the Nitro V is portable at just 4.66 pounds and measures under an inch thick, making it easy to carry around. Despite being a gaming laptop, it's not overly bulky, which is convenient for students or professionals who want a balance between power and portability. The backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad adds to the usability, especially for late-night gaming or work sessions. Battery life is powered by a 57Wh lithium-ion battery. While gaming laptops are not typically known for long unplugged usage, this battery size is sufficient for productivity tasks and casual use on the go, though heavy gaming is always best done plugged in. Overall, the Acer Nitro V gaming laptop is designed for users who want reliable gaming performance and modern features without spending thousands on a high-end machine. It's best suited for gamers who enjoy esports titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, or Fortnite at high refresh rates, as well as those who want to play AAA titles at smooth performance levels with realistic graphics. At the same time, it's powerful enough for students, content creators, and professionals who need multitasking capability, fast storage, and good connectivity. With its strong blend of performance, display quality, expandability, and modern features like Wi-Fi 6, Thunderbolt 4, and AI enhancements, the Acer Nitro V stands out as one of the most well-rounded mid-range gaming laptops available right now.